Hi folks, this is Art Kelly, Excalibur Mobile Detail. This is a 2000 Toyota Tacoma V6. Customer has always been taking care of it. Hand washing only since the day he got it. Had us do a multi-step paint correction on it before applying a 10-year ceramic coating. He plans to keep the vehicle for another 10-11 years, turn it into a high performance rock crawler. So he wants to keep the paint in good shape. We also ceramic coated the windows as well, normally $150 value. And she is shiny. So if you want to get your vehicle professionally paint corrected and ceramic coated, give me a call, 559-802-4392, or you can call me direct, 559-827-7808. Thank you very much. Have a great day.